As I mentioned earlier, we use a fund-of-fund approach. So what we are seeking to do is trying to find a select group of leading European private equity funds. And what that really means is that we end up with a portfolio of underlying companies of about 300. And these are diversified across sector, geography, stage of investment. But key, I would certainly say, is that we're looking to back funds that invest in businesses with a market cap of between 100 million euros and 2 billion. These transactions are very much leveraged buyout transactions, so the private equity funds that we back will own and be able to strategically change those businesses and drive strong profit growth and value growth on those companies over the typical private equity investment period, which is 3 to 5 years. What we're really looking for when we're doing our diligence on these managers is to try and find what we call operational alpha, this private equity additional return that the managers can bring to bear on those underlying businesses. And this takes many forms. It can be strategically repositioning the companies. It can be M&A. It can be acquiring other businesses. It can be changing management, augmenting the strategy, and then really trying to drive that over the long term. So really, as I say, what we're trying to make sure is that we're selecting those managers that can provide this additional return, this return that you can't really find anywhere else in the listed markets today, combined with SL Capital's long-term presence in the market, so we can get access to those managers and provide that to our shareholders over the long term.